Hi everyone, and welcome back to Koala Wallet. We're happy to see you here. Our phones are fragile. There's always a chance of some accident taking away your device and your Koala Wallet with it. But don't worry, that's where your wallet backup comes in. Your recovery phrase can always fully restore access to all assets in your wallet, and here we'll show you how. After installing Koala Wallet on a new device, select Restore Wallet. Koala Wallet is non-custodial. It's important to know that since you have full custody power over your assets, you're also responsible for their safekeeping. Read the warnings, tap the checkbox of each one that you accept, and press confirm to proceed. This is where you use your recovery phrase. For each word of the phrase in order, type the first 3 or 4 letters and select it from the word suggestions above the keyboard. After you're done with all 24 words, press Restore Wallet. All that's left to do is set a PIN to protect your wallet from unauthorized physical access. Press Continue to do it. Choose a memorable PIN that's hard for others to guess. After entering the PIN once, repeat it one more time to be sure that you memorized it. Finally, for greater convenience, you can enable biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition. When enabled, it can be used instead of your PIN. If you choose to enable it, remember that your PIN may still be required in certain scenarios. Congratulations, your wallet is restored. Your address will be the same as always, and all assets will show all previous transactions and a balance. Enjoy the convenience of a single eternal backup. Feel free to check our channel for other video tutorials and have an awesome day.